Hello there. Today, we're actually going to teach you how to go about installing the Firefox browser on a Windows computer or a Mac computer. This function will not work on the Firefox browser on the cell phone. So do remember that this is only for computers at this time. So what you need to do first is to go and search for Firefox, the browser. And when you go to Firefox, you could actually go and download the browser, which is usually the first link over here. And I'm going to go and download this right now. Right? And all I need to do is go to the very, very bottom and go to download, right, for desktop. When I go in here, it will allow me to save the browser. Now, if I do want other versions, I could also go and select other versions that's in different languages. So this is how I go and download other languages. So here you have download option and other languages, or just go here and select all languages. So in this case, I'm downloading Firefox with 64-bit, but if you're having issues and it won't allow you to install, then you might want to try the 32-bit option. You could also pick any other language that's available here, such as Arabic, and any other languages that you see here. Once you have decided, then you select the Download Now button. Once downloaded, it would appear over here as a file that says Firefox Setup.exe with the version number. Once you actually do this, you select Open and Run. Now, on the other browsers such as Google Chrome, it may be down here that you see the download file. It's the same file name, but it's down here while it's downloading. You just have to select that and select Run. Once you actually have followed the instructions and installs, it would then open up the browser and it would appear like this here as the first time you set up. So what I'm going to do here is simply go to the menu that's located on the top right corner with 3 lines. Once I select this here, what I want to go and select is the Add-in and Themes option. So I'm going to select that right now. And I would search here for the keyword as in translate and go to search. Once I have done a search, there will be various options that's available. Now, the one that we're going to suggest you try is called Translate Web Pages. This is the most effective one so far. I select this link over here. As you can see, I have the remove button, but if I wanted to add this, I would simply select Add to Firefox. It would then tell me that I'm able to now add this extension, Add. Now this option here, which is allow extension to run in a private window, you don't have to select this, but I'm going to do it. It makes no difference unless you're very, very advanced. Otherwise, you don't have to do this. Once you've done this, you close this, and we're going to try this function right now. And you're going to see this function right here appear on the top row, and you actually have the letter A. You select this here. Now this here, you don't want to translate yet because it's going to not know what language you're going to want to translate this to. So I'm going to go to Option. I would select Change Languages. And once I select Change Languages, I would select the language that I desire. So in this case, I'm going to choose Arabic. And now if I press this word, the option to translate, everything on this web page that's text will be translated into your language. So now I could go and play a video, for example, and I would be able to read all this text. Even though I might not understand this, it will be all translated automatically to the language of desire, which in this case happens to be Arabic. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any other questions, do come back and watch this video again. Thank you very much.